There we go. So how'd you guys do this week?
Pretty good.
Okay. Did you guys read the comments on our study thing?
I couldn't open them because I didn't like turn it in, so
Oh, shoot. Okay. Well, I'll show it to you. When we're done with this, I'll show it to you because we have some things we have to fix.
Yeah, I figured with the 60%.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool.
Shall we carry on?
We got the quiz open.
Yep.
Cool. Let's see. I'm gonna do one more here real quick. Yeah. All right, so we got 1 and 2. Shall I start with number 3?
Go right ahead.
All right, so for the next 9 questions, we'll review the PTC tasting study with different data. With this data, use the data on the table to find p hat 1, round to 3 decimal places.
Okay.
Did you guys just use the Excel thing for this?
Oh, yeah.
That made it.
That's what I'm doing right now. So 0.743.
Yes, ma'am.
Yep. The formulas are just way too big to.
Yeah.
And would take way too long.
Yeah.
Especially, I mean, even just the margin of error formula is so crazy.
Yeah.
So we have to even do that one by hand.
They're so extreme. Okay.
Okay, so P2, have you gotten that yet, Jenny?
Yeah, 712.
Yeah.
Yep. And then they just wanted to find the difference. It was different. It wasn't less or greater than. So it's the first one, right? On question 5.
Yeah, because we don't want p hat is unequal to p hat 2 either. So that's number 1.
So we want, which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question? And what are you saying we want? We want
The first one.
Yeah. So we just want it to be different. We don't want it to be greater or less than.
Greater or less than, just different.
Yep.
What is the difference between the first one and the last one?
Look at the p hat on the alternative.
Okay, we don't want p hat. We just want p. Okay,
Nope.
Couldn't figure that out for a second. It was stressing me out. Okay. 95% confidence interval.
Okay, I wasn't sure what the answer was on this one. The point estimate? What is that? I thought that was like the mean.
Isn't it the number that is P1 minus P2, whatever that number equals?
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
So it would be.
0.3.
Right, but we don't have P. We don't have like a for sure P though. Or do we?
Well, we do. Okay, so then explain this to me. Why is it P is unequal to P1 is unequal to P2 if we don't know what P is then? It seems like we do know what P is because it's just 18 over 52, isn't it?
That makes sense.
Except for that.
So then 18 over 15 minus, or 18 over 70. Wait, what are we? 52 over 70 minus 42 out of 59, right?
So that should be 0.031, correct?
0.031. Hold on.
Because 0.743 minus 0.712.
Yeah.
0.031.
What is the point estimate? Don't we just want...
See, it doesn't mention a point estimate in the reading at all.
Mm-mm.
No.
I think it mentions it like when we first read about the t-test,
Right.
like way back when.
That's one of those things. We get like review on all the kind of the easy ones all the time, but then the ones like that. Uh-oh. 1 second. Hello.
There was a thing in the reading.
How are you doing? You're doing well.
Just a sec.
She's doing good. She was a little bit. She was crazy.
There was a place in the reading where it like went step by step through the process. I'm going back there.
Talking about it.
Okay. Use the data to find the estimated proportion of patients admitted with an aortic aneurysm on the weekend who will die. So the estimated proportion, so isn't that the same thing we're looking for, the P estimate?
The point estimator.
So isn't that the same thing as P hat 1? Isn't that just, they're calling it a point estimate, but in the reading this week they called it an estimated proportion.
That makes sense, but then that still makes sense that it's 0.3031.
Right. So, but if it's just P hat 1, then it's.
It couldn't just be P hat 1 though.
There's two proportions.
There are two proportions. So we want to find out.
Oh, yes, you're right.
For both of them. So 0.031 makes sense to me.
Yeah.
Well, I say let's try it.
Let's do it. Okay. Every time I try to find a margin of error and plug the numbers into the formula that is given, I always get it wrong. I don't know why.
Because. What answer did you get?
So I got 0.012.
How'd you get that?
That's what you got?
No.
What did you get?
I got 0.154 and it was correct.
So, and you just plugged in the numbers into the z times the square root of that large.
No. So there's a whole, when you watch the video, there's a formula in there that helped a lot.
Well, I haven't finished the video, so.
I don't usually watch the videos. That's probably my downfall.
Yeah, see, it wasn't in the reading, it was in the video. So let me
I
tell you.
usually do watch it, but I'm an hour off. Sorry, guys.
Oh.
So what
Let
was
me the formula real quick because it's important.
Yeah, what was that formula? And then I'll.
So it's P hat 1 minus P hat 2 plus or minus. Let me take a picture of it. You guys need to just see it, I think.
Okay.
Because so this is like the whole
The confidence interval formula?
The big one.
Yeah, I have those written down. So they were in there's like two, they have a +1 and a -1. Like plus or minus the z-score times the square root of a whole bunch of stuff.
Yeah, the square root of P hat times 1 minus P hat over N1.
Yeah.
Plus.
That's in the reading.
Yeah, that's in the reading.
But you guys.
But how did you get the margin of error then? You did.
So, and you guys put the z-score as 1.96, right?
Well, I didn't yet, remember, because I just am getting there. But.
Right. So what I did was I made sure and I did each individual problem on the inside of the parentheses first. So for example, 0.743 minus 1.1 times 1 minus 0.743 was 0.191.
Right.
70. And 0.712 times 1 minus 0.712 was 0.205 over 59. And then both of those ended up being estimated about 0.003. Correct?
Okay.
Oh my God, what is this? So 0.003 plus 0.003. I I don't have the actual numbers in front of me, but the number turned out to be about 0.079 was the square root of the number times 0.196 equals 0.154.
0.194 was your answer, right?
154.
154. But like the numbers were so close that you couldn't round at any point during the math. You could only round like right at the very end.
Right. So I think what my mistake was is that I forgot to square root.
Oh, that would do it.
I hate that. I do that almost every time.
I like square root. Okay. Let me get my numbers back.
I know. I'm going back to putting them all into the formula.
This.
Excuse me.
Okay. Here we go.
I know when you guys get it.
Okay, well, what did you get again?
0.154.
Dang it. And you just did everything in the square root and you just multiplied it by the z-score, right? Or did you add p hat 1 minus p hat 2?
Yeah, that's before p hat 1 minus p hat 2.
And the margin of error is everything after that.
Yeah,
So
everything
P hat
after
1 minus
plus
P
and
hat 2.
minus.
Everything after the plus minus.
So you should have 0.031 plus or minus 0.154.
Okay, right. Okay, so I ended up with 0.17 or 0.18 basically.
And
I'm almost done.
did you round while you were doing your math?
No. I must be doing the order of operations wrong.
Oh, I did something very wrong because I ended up with -3 something. I don't know what.
Okay.
Oh.
So you guys are
Let's
doing
try one more
1
time.
minus p hat first, correct?
Yeah, 1 minus p hat, and then you times the p hat.
What you got?
Hold on. Messed up. 1 minus. And then. Okay.
7.
And then you divide that by n.
Which is 70, correct?
Okay, then I'm going to save that number.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to do 1 minus.
You know what helped me? Is I did it on the Google calculator, and I opened up 2 different calculator pages.
Oh, yeah.
And I did them totally separately, and then I typed in the big long number from one into the other to get the final number.
Minus 0.743 times 0.743 divided by 70 equals 2.7278714. Okay, so that's right. Now, 0.712.
Okay, what was the answer that you got?
0.154.
Okay, I don't know what I did differently, but that's what I got.
Good job. Luckily, we'll have another chance to do this later on in the quiz. We can try and later on too.
3.47552524. Oh, no. Okay, so we add those together. Plus 2.72787. How on earth? No, that's not right.
What was your final number after your square root, Jenny?
I don't know. I'm going back and doing it again because I didn't write it down, and now I know something's not right. 1 minus 0.712 equals divided by times 0.712 equals.
No. Don't do that. Multiply first and then divide.
Yeah, that's what I meant to do. Sorry. See, here's my problem. I'm 1 minus 0.712 equals times 0.712 equals divided by 59 equals. So I've got 3.475525424. And I'm going to add that.
It should not be more than 0.003.
I know. So what am I doing wrong? 1 minus 0.712 equals 0.288 times 0.712 equals 0.20506 divided by 59, right? Divided by 59 equals 3.45. Oh, holy night. Times minus, so it's point. I'm not moving my decimal over. My stupid calculator's moving my decimal over.
Okay.
So it's 0.123.0034755 blah 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 blah. Okay, so that's my problem. Is that okay? So then I need to, and I need
0.123 though.
What do you have?
0.00. I don't have the exact number, but it's rounded to 0.003.
Yeah, that's
0.0036 or something, or 3 or something. I think it's a 4.
3.4 something. Yeah, so it's 0.003, but I'm not supposed to round yet, right? Didn't you say?
No, you're not supposed to round. I don't have anything more than the rounded.
Okay, yeah. So that's what I got. It's like 0.0034.
Yes.
And it carries on from there. Okay, so then I'm going to add that to, that's what I'm doing wrong. Add plus 0.00272787149.
Good.
Oh, holy night. 6 point something I got. That's not even, oh, no, because I forget. I have to move this stupid thing over. 1, 2, 3, so 0.0062033968553. Okay, and that is all multiplied by 1.96.
You square rooted it?
Oh, nope. Square equals.
Almost.
So
Almost.
now I have 0.07876, blah, blah, blah. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now I multiply by 1.96. 1.96 equals. Causing myself my own headaches. 0.154, la, 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 la.
There you go. We did it.
Wow.
That was way more painful than it needed to be.
And then now the other questions, you just need the lower bound and the upper bound.
Which are both in the graph. Lucky.
Yeah.
So 0.0123 or negative 0.0123.
Negative 0.123.
Yeah.
Not 0.
Not 0. You guys, I don't know what is wrong with my brain. Okay, get back to where I need to be here. Negative 0.123.
Good job.
And the upper bound is
185.
Yeah.
185. Oh. All right. Now,
Score. We failed to reject, correct?
Correct.
correct. Oh, fail to reject, yes. The null hypothesis. Which of the following statements? So if we fail to reject it, there is insufficient evidence
Mm-hmm.
to suggest
It's
that
the last one, isn't it?
the last one.
Yes.
Yes. Took me a minute to get down there. All right. Oh.
Okay.
All right. Next 9 questions. We got a lot of information there.
Okay.
So on 12, I got that all the conditions were satisfied.
Yes, sir. We
You
all.
got, I didn't hear you. What did you say?
It said that in number 12, it's true that all the conditions are satisfied.
Okay. I have to go put it later in.
Oh, yeah. You need a second?
Well, you can keep going and I can just catch up, I guess. But then I'll just be quiet like I was last time while I caught up. So go ahead. I'll catch you.
No, it's not a big deal because it's just a couple of numbers you have to type in. We'll wait.
Yeah, we can wait.
Proportion of patients who had a heart attack and were admitted who died. So I want wait, who had a heart attack and were admitted on a weekday. So I want weekday who died. 16713.
Do you want me to read them to you so you don't have to?
Yes. So I don't have to keep going back and forth. That would be awesome. Okay, X1.
118519.
Wait, X1 is 118519?
No, X1
16713.
13.
Okay. And then N1 is 118.
519.
519. Okay, and then X2.
6155.
6155.
Mm-hmm.
And N2.
42447.
So did I get X2 is 6155?
Yep.
Okay, just wanted to make sure I had that correct.
It's way smaller because it's a weekend. There are only 2 days in a weekend.
Got it. Okay, and then what type of test are we doing? Is not equal to or?
It's less than.
Less than, yeah.
Less than. Okay, well, it's already less than, so huzzah. Okay, now I can go back to the...
Well, don't look at that yet because
that's going to...
it's a smaller group.
Okay. Okay, so the conditions are satisfied. A hypothesis. Okay, P1. So P1 is... Oh, wait, did it ask for P1 or P hat 1?
Doesn't really matter.
The same.
Whatever's on the graph.
0.141 then.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Okay.
And P hat 2 is 0.145.
Mm-hmm.
And the Z score is
-0.02.
Negative 2.020.
Is it negative 2.020?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Excellent.
Okay, given the z-score from the last question, what should you shade? Left, right, left or right of the z-score for the p-value?
Wow.
So we want less than, so we need to get to the left.
Yes, ma'am.
Baby.
Doesn't make any difference what the z-score is. Okay.
Really?
What was the z-score? Negative 2.02.
And our value?
0.043.
No.
No, that's both sides. You just need one side, so you want 0.0217.
Although it's on your Excel as well, you don't have to actually do the applet.
Oh.
Just so you know.
Wait a second. Let me plug in the numbers again. Maybe
Should be 022.
0.022.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, because I get 0.0217, and so then round it, and you get 0.022 p-value. Yes.
Hold on one second.
Yeah, go for it.
P-value is 0.022. That is less than 0.05.
Oh, okay.
And if we're less, then we
Okay, got it. I just had the type of test wrong on my graph.
oh
I was wondering how I got all the other numbers right except for the p-value. I was like,
yeah, I was amazed.
Yeah, that would be odd.
okay, the decision is to reject.
So the p-value is less, so we reject, right?
0.05, yes.
So now we say there is sufficient evidence
Mm-hmm.
to
I think it's the second to last one.
Yes.
conclude that the proportion of patients who have a heart attack is less. Yes.
Less on a weekend than on a weekday than on a weekend.
Yes. Okay. So that's the last one. Shall we submit?
Oh yeah.
We got 100%. Woohoo!
What?
Yay.
Not sure.
Oh, I have an unanswered question. What did I miss? Question 13. Which one did I not answer? Which set of hypotheses are appropriate? On question 13. Go back, go back. Oh, I skipped that question altogether. Which set of hypotheses? So we want equal to, no, what is it asking?
Less than.
We want less than, so it's the fourth one.
Yes.
Okay, sorry about that. It's nice that it warns us that we didn't answer a question.
Right.
It is nice.
Rolled right past it. Okay, well, now I'm going to tell you what the heck she said about our lovely field report.
Okay.
Or, no, sorry, not field report. You know,
Plan.
study, design the study. Okay, so
I have to go check on a resident really quick because she's got to
can
go.
I not share this with you? I bet if I like copy it and stick it on a Google Doc or something.
Yeah.
Oh, I saved it.
There's a chat button too. Put it on the chat.
Oh, where we are. Okay, just a sec. Let me. Computer. Ugh. coming. All right, let's see. Where is the chat? Screen share, chat. There it is. Let me see if I can just share my screen with you guys, and then.
Oh, that would work. I'm gonna take it off live though, real quick.
Yeah.